also other question, other than the SIR, the question about Vande Mataram debate is also being highlighted. We did see the Prime Minister also highlighting the nature of the Vande Mataram debate, especially when it comes to the song, the stanzas that have been omitted in 1937. He's raised this concern as well, and therefore, in 150 years of the song, which has been an inspiring song for India's national freedom as such, how do you in fact see that debate also moving forward in this session?
Well, what you see, that debate from the centre holds very much significance, and that is the reason why the pitch also had come in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi that there should be a discussion on the celebration of 150 year of the Vande Mataram song. But it completely depends on how the opposition functions, because at the Business Advisory Council meeting that had taken place on Sunday itself, though on one hand the opposition has given the assurance that yes, they are going to be part of the celebration of 150 year of Vande Mataram song, but the opposition also have put forward their own agendas that they want a discussion on the SIR, and that is the reason why since beginning n numbers of adjournment motion already has been given by different member of parliaments from the opposition sides that they want a discussion. Now clear messaging has come in from the Samajwadi Party as well as from the Trinamool Congress, who's completely on the front foot, stating that they want a discussion on the SIR, because a lot of the BLOs and common people have lost their life because of the SIR process, and they are alleging that the EC has blood on their hand, and that is the reason why they want discussion inside the house that regarding the SIR should take place and the poll reform should take place. But it will be interesting to see whether the discussion on the celebration of 150 year of Vande Mataram song takes place without any disruption or not, because clearly the opposition have put forth their agendas both in the all party meeting as well as in the Business Advisory Council meeting. So as far as the opposition is concerned, they want a discussion on the SIR on the first day itself, and they clearly have sent out this message that if the government agrees on their agenda and holds a discussion, then they are ready to cooperate as far as the government is concerned.
Well, thank you, Sabya, for in fact speaking to us with all those details. Earlier, my colleague Sabyasachi had also spoken with K. Suresh. Let's listen in.
I'm being joined by Senior Congress Leader, Member of Parliament in Lok Sabha, Mr. K. Suresh. Sir, thank you so much for speaking to News9. Sir, yesterday the CPP meeting had taken place. You were also part of it. What are the issues that the Congress party is going to raise in the winter session that is going to start from today?
Yesterday there was no CPP meeting. Yesterday only the strategy committee meeting held in Tanjanbad, presided by Honorable CPP Chairperson Srimati Sonia Ji. So yesterday morning there was a all-party meeting convened by government. Rajnath Singh Ji and Nadda Ji were also present there. That meeting, all opposition parties raised so many issues, SIR issue, and also internal security issue, and also air pollution issue, and all other issues, important issues were raised.
Sir, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, he says that there will be discussion on the topics that the opposition wants, but the opposition must follow the rules and regulation of the Parliament. Do you agree with this, sir?
No, we are only following the rules and regulations. So we are giving notice under 193, short duration discussion and calling attention and adjournment motion. These are the provision for the rules in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. That we are giving all the notice under the rules and procedure. We are not violating rules and procedure. We are stick on the rules and procedure. So 193 short duration discussion and also adjournment motion and also calling attention. This is the rule in the procedure of the Lok Sabha. We are our notice are giving only only following the rules and procedure.